Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to continue where we left off. I told you in the last video of how like there's a canvas and then you draw stuff like different colors and they're gonna pop up on the canvas when you draw it. If you want to look at the first video, you can look at my link description below. And yep, let's get started. So we did the designing part, but I forget to show you something. I totally forgot about this. So go back to your like art attack project thing that if you continued with me, then go to drawing stage. So I already did this, but change the background color to transparent. So probably, I don't know what color it was before, but change it to transparent. So transparent's right here. It says transparent. You click that and it'll be transparent for you. And then you see this. So before the thing was, it was saying like this, but then you click on the touch drawing and it'll have blue. So I want like, so when you like draw, it's gonna like, draw. Because if you don't do that, it's not gonna work and it won't like, let you draw. So that's it. Now we're gonna go to the blocks. So we're just gonna go to blocks. So first go to screen 1 and go to create button and get this block. When create button is clicked, which button? Oh, you go to control. I think it's taking, okay. Navigate, get the block, navigate to screen 1. So when you click there you go. When you click this button, the create button, it's gonna take you to screen 2 automatically. But it says screen 1, so click on the screen 1 and click the screen 2. So let's see if it works. So now click on let's create. So it takes some while for me. Okay, I think I did something wrong. It's right. I don't know what's happening. It's so annoying when like stuff happen when you don't want it to. Oh, now it did. Now it's when you click it, it just takes some time to load. Now it's gonna pop up to your screen 2. So now let's go back to blocks. We go to screen 2. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the colors. So when we click the colors and you start drawing, it's gonna draw on the canvas. So first we're gonna start with purple since it popped up in mine, or you can start with red, whatever you want. So go to when purple is clicked, or whatever color you chosen. Go to the canvas area and go to it's gonna take a while. It's really slow. Let me click on stage 1. I'm annoyed when it happens like that. It goes screen 2, but then when I click stage, it won't click. Let me click on it. I just did. Okay, now I'll get this block, set drawing stage background color to purple. So the drawing stage is, when we just went to the drawing stage and changed to transparent. So you set the drawing stage, not background color, I mean, drawing color. So when you click the purple, change the black, you set it, the drawing color when you start coloring, it's gonna be purple. And then you do the same thing to the other one. So you right click, duplicate, then do blue and find the blue color, any type of blue. I'm just going to do this. Duplicate again. Instead of blue, do green, or whatever color you have. I'm going to do green. I'm going to duplicate it again. Instead of green, do yellow. Yellow. Last one, red. No, sorry, orange. We still have one more. Orange. Duplicate again. And red. Okay. So, okay, the last thing we have to do is do the eraser. So when the eraser button clicks, So go to erase button. Oh, when erase button is clicked, go to looks. Of course, it's gonna take a while. Okay, now it worked. Now scroll down and get this button, clear drawings on canvas 1. So when you click the erase button, all the drawings or stuff that you did is going to be cleared. So now we did the coding. Now let's test it out and see if it works. Let me just go to screen 1 to do like, the whole thing. And now choose any color, do red. Wow, that's so cool. Another color, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And now if you want to erase, it worked. So I hope you like this video. So I have to, oopsies. Okay, I don't know what happened, but it's okay. So I hope you like this video, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. So see you next time, everyone. Bye.